Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll just teach you how to draw a simple line graph. Now, this is a very simple topic. If you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. So let's just form a very simple data and illustrate this. All right, let's assume that you're going to take the data of temperature during a particular day. All right, how the data varies during the day, and 8 a.m. Let me just from 5, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and 12 noon. So, temperature, all right? Assume that 8 a.m., which was 26, or let's say 28 degree. Let's use 27 here, then here 28 degree, here 20. Let's say here is 29 or 28.5. Let's say here is 29, and here is what 30 degree. Now, and you're asked to form a now you will notice that it's going up, it's because it's going towards afternoon. Now, if we take it to evening, it may start coming what down. So we can form a simple graph on this. Ideally, you are supposed to use a real graph, all right, to do this, all right. So definitely here will be 0. You can decide to, okay, so what are we going to do? Let's use this place for what time, and here is what the temperature. So here's what temperature and time. Okay, so you know your normal graph you have, so you choose a specific interval. So let's put here as what 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and what 12 what noon. Okay, now here we're going to divide it in such a way that we'll have here as, what are we going to do? Okay, let's use 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So I would like to change this value so that it will be more obvious. Let's start here as 22, here as 25, or 24, here as 25, 27, and 30. So realize that 8 a.m., what do we have here? 22. So 22 should be in this region. You just take the line, and what you do is simple. You draw, mark your point here. From here, then you take a look. From here is 25. So you're going to have 26, 27, 28, 29. Sorry, here is 20. You are going to have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, depending on the scale you are using. All right. So you just mark your point here. After that, you go to 9. Here is 24, so it's closer to the 25 mark. You mark your point here. I'll have to use another marker. Okay. So here is 22. Here is 24. Then here we have exact what? 25. So here is 25. Here is actually 27. So we have the 27 mark here. And here is what? 30. So you take it up. You are supposed to use your graph sheet so that you will not make mistakes. So once you get this, what you just need to do is simple. It's just to join the dots with a line. That's the reason why it's actually what called what? A line what? Graph. So just join it with a dot and you have your graph. So it's not very simple concept in mathematics, right? I'll just display a simple data on the screen. I want you to draw a simple line graph to what represent this data. All right. So thank you for watching.